Hi, I am Computer Guy, and today we're going to take you through what it all has in it, and this is going to be our first impression. Alrighty, so it has a pretty nice shipping box. The way that they had this, they got foam and stuff like that, and they did a nice little compartment for it with the cardboard. I did like put everything in here, which is nice. Keeps everything from jarring around in a box and stuff like that. But so this is what it comes with. This is the actual device itself. Comes with a large portion feeding already installed, and then it also comes with, you can see everything here, it also comes with a smaller, let me take it out of the thing, you can see the one in there and then this one here. So the default one does 10 grams, the small one does 5 grams per portion. And then we've got the little food bowl that'll attach to it. We've got some instructions. Maggie's Paw. Yeah, Maggie's Paw doesn't come with it. That's sold separately. The equipment has been tested and found to comply with the limits of the Class B digital. Okay, yeah, everybody knows. And then it comes with this USB cable. So this also has, it can do USB, or if you want to do batteries, this one's kind of weird. I don't think I've seen on off in the bottom. Microphone, I guess a chime, but I thought it said it took AAA's, which looks like it would be right here, but this is clearly D, and it says size D. So it takes 3 of those. It takes 2 here, 1 up here, and then this is just a supporting bracket, because if you go to push on this to put it in, it'd be hard to do. Oh, hey, Bubba. Hey, yeah. Let's look at your butt. We got this one because we want to try and get Bubba on a schedule, more rigid schedule of feeding him. The only downfall that we have with this is that it's only 4 programmable feedings. So this was the first impression for the WOPET winking dog. Was that the same eye? I don't know. Anyways, so yeah, stay tuned for the full review. We'll see you next time, guys.